Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share how to use the cryptocurrency auto trading system. The good news is this system is completely free to use. For details instruction, you can always check the description box below this video. If you follow the step and the manual, you will be able to sign up and start using the system right away. This system is divided into the two main sections, the information section and trading section. The first, let's look at the info section. Here you will enter the email used to sign up with OKX along with the API key, secret key, and the pair price that were issued to you after registration. The referral code is automatically filled in by the system, so you don't need to worry about that. Once all the information is entered, just click check status. If you see the message info match in the status window, it means the system is ready to use. Okay, next is the trading section. There are four trading panels, trading 1, 2, 3, and 4, and each one work on the same way. So let's just go through trading 1 as an example. First, under the section select type, the system will load all the cryptocurrencies supported on the exchange. Choose the coin you'd like to trade. Then enter the quantity you want to buy. For example, with a Bitcoin, you can start the trading from as little as a 0.0001 BTC. Next, choose your margin type, either cross or isolates. Then set your leverage. Frankly speaking, personally, I don't recommend using very high leverage like a 50 or 100. Since this is automated trading, it's better to focus on steadily build up small profit rather than trying to make a big gain in one shot. The strategy section. Now choose the strategy the system will learn on. These strategies will continue to be updated based on system usage and market changes. Whenever a new strategy is added, I will redistribute the system with the updates. You can find all information and download through the YouTube or the official blog. Okay, everything is set up. Click the start button. From the point, the system will automatically buy and sell according to the information and strategy you entered. The stop button will end the trading in that special panel, so the auto trading won't continue. Finally, there is an emergency stop button. This will close all open position at once. It's best not to use this unless it's really necessary. Each start button and stop button only work within one trading panel, so you have full control. Okay, here's the quick look at the trading history so far. The one key point to notice is the trading time. The whole purpose of using an automated system is so that your money keeps working for you whenever you're sleeping, relaxing, or busy with something else. Morning, midnight, or evening, the system keeps trading automatically based on the strategy you choose, helping your profit grow consistently over time. That's a quick overview of how to use the system and system work and some sample trading history. Just to remind you, once again, this system is free to use. Yes, free to use. You can find the application form and detailed user guide through the link below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.